I'm Kenzie with Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to Denver, Colorado. Today we're at 400 St. Paul Street, located in the heart of the Cherry Creek North neighborhood. And I don't think it's an understatement to say this is one of the best homes Colorado has to offer. Let me show you inside. Harmon Hall, as it is known, was built in 1891 as the town hall for the area. This is before it was incorporated into Denver. Over the years, it's been a town hall, a mayor's office, and even a courthouse. But now, this stately property has been converted into a jaw-dropping private residence, perfect for entertaining on a grand scale, inside or out. Filled with unforgettable rooms, intricate detail, and the very best of modern luxury living. This home is actually made up of the original structure and a contemporary addition, but the foyer sets the tone. Though in the same position as the original entry when it was an office and a courthouse, it's been renovated into a gallery-like showstopper filled with light that continues throughout. As you move into this home, you notice all the floor-to-ceiling windows that look out onto this relaxing courtyard. This level is made up of all of your main living and entertaining spaces. These include this expansive formal dining area. I'm telling you, invite everyone you know and dine in style. How could you not here? This library is designed as an homage to the Gilded Age. Check out the reclaimed wood beams and vintage maps plastered on the ceiling. Not a bad spot to finally finish that novel or that last glass of bourbon. This kitchen area is something you have to see to believe. It's the true heart of the home. A place to cook like a chef, eat like a pig, or lounge like a boss. And it all leads to the private oasis that is the back garden. And opening up this floor-to-ceiling sliding glass door completely erases the line between inside and out. Anyone up for a dip? I'm just joking. Later. Alfresco entertaining continues in this area, which I can only describe as a party paradise. I mean, I've been here for events with over 100 people, and it doesn't feel crowded. And speaking of events, you'll easily keep them hydrated with this over 1,000-bottle wine cellar and tasting room. And for more exclusive occasions, there's the coolest speakeasy carved into the underground garage. And for movie night, a theater. Now, let's go take a look at the primary suite. Upstairs, this entire floor is the dreamy primary suite. Not only does it have a beautiful bedroom, but it also has a sitting room, office, and this grand, luxurious bathroom. And the closets, let me tell you, they are straight from the boutiques of Melrose. And I can't forget about the bedroom terrace. On the top floor, there's a full gym and a rooftop terrace, but you get the picture. This place is amazing, and it's one of a kind. I mean, this whole place, you'll never want to leave. But leave we must. Thank you so much for coming. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go grab a drink in the speakeasy.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.